Before time began its race, before history was written in books, a power was already shaping the world with silent strength and fearless courage. That power is Nari Shakti, the power of womanhood. She is the first teacher, the first warrior, the first dreamer. She fights with the sword, she builds with wisdom, she rises with courage. From ancient battlefields to modern skies, from classrooms to corporations, her spirit has never been confined. Today's performance is not just a dance, it is a tribute to the strength, sacrifice, resilience, and limitless potential of women. It is a celebration of Nari Shakti, yesterday, today, and forever. Today, we celebrate the women who defines modern India, women who dare to dream differently, women who broke barriers not with fear but with courage. They conquered the skies, scaled the highest peaks, led global organizations, transformed systems, and made India proud on international stages. They are the face of today's empowered India. They are not just achievers, they are inspirations to millions. Let us now welcome these modern icons of Nari Shakti.
I am Arunima Sinha. Life tried to break me, but I chose to climb. From losing a leg to standing on the highest peak of the world, I proved that true strength lives in the heart. I am not my fall, I am my comeback.
I am Kalpana Chawla. From a small town to the endless sky, I followed my dreams beyond Earth's limits. I proved that no dream is too big and no sky is too high for a woman's ambition.
I'm Indra Noi. With vision in my mind and integrity in my choices, I led across borders and boardrooms. I showed that leadership has no gender, only purpose, discipline, and courage to lead.
I am PV Sindhu. Every victory you see is built on years of discipline and sacrifice. On courts around the world, I carried India in my heart. I play not just to win medals, I play to inspire millions to never give up.
I am Avni Chaturvedi. I fly where courage meets the clouds. As India's first woman fighter pilot to fly solo, I showed the world that the sky is not a boundary, it is an open invitation to rise.
I am Kiran Bedi. I challenge the system to build a better one. As India's first woman IPS officer, I stood for justice, reform, and fearless truth. Change begins when courage takes charge.
These women define the strength of today's India, but every powerful present is built on a fearless past. Before the skies were conquered, before the peaks were climbed, before the world learned to recognize the power of Indian women, there was a young queen who chose resistance over surrender, a woman who turned rebellion into a revolution. Let us now go back in time to where the story of Nari Shakti truly ignited, to Jhansi, 1857. The year is 1857. The air trembles with the march of foreign boots. British soldiers advance with precision, their red coats slicing through the dust of Indian soil. Their steps echo dominance, discipline, and control. But beneath their order, rebellion stirs. A storm is ready to rise.
आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड।
सिंहासन हिल उठे, राजवंशों ने भ्रकुटी तानी थी। बूढ़े भारत में आई फिर से नई जवानी थी। गुमी हुई आजादी की कीमत सबने पहचानी थी। दूर फिरंगी को करने की सबने मन में ठानी थी। चमक उठी सन 57 में वह तलवार पुरानी थी। बुंदे ले हर बोलों के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी। खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी।
पूछ रहा अस्तित्व तुम्हारा, कब तक ऐसे वार सहोगे। बोलो बोलो कब प्रतिकार करोगे। बोलो कब प्रतिकार करोगे। हर हर महादेव। बोलो कब प्रतिकार करोगे। हर हर महादेव। रहा अस्तित्व तुम्हारा, कब तक ऐसे वार सहोगे। हो पूछ रहा अस्तित्व तुम्हारा, कब तक ऐसे वार सहोगे। बोलो बोलो कब प्रतिकार करोगे। बोलो कब प्रतिकार करोगे। निर्जर छूट रहा है, प्रत्याशा बनना इसी है। धनुष तुम्हारा टूट रहा है, तब तुम सच स्वीकार करोगे। बोलो 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 कब प्रतिकार करोगे। बोलो कब प्रतिकार करोगे। युद्ध कर भयंकर।
ज्ञान की किरण बन उठी अंधेरों के बीच, नारी शक्ति की आवाज साहस का प्रतीक। शिक्षा के पथ पर चलकर बदली दुनिया की राह, सावित्रीबाई तुमसे ही जग में फैला उजियार। With education as her revolution and knowledge as her shield, she lights 1,000 minds where once there was darkness. Her struggles built tomorrow. Her footsteps echoed the march of equality.
जो मन में ठान लिया, जो मन में ठान लिया, अब हमको करना है। इस डर को हमारे, इस डर को हमारे, अब हमसे डरना है। दुश्मन हजार हिम्मत न हार कर मिल के बार लड़ जा रे। हर ऊंच नीच और भेदभाव हारेगा तू भिड़ जा रे। धुन लगी रे आजादी की, धुन लगी रे आजादी की, धुन लगी रे धुन लगी रे आजादी की, धुन लगी रे आजादी की।
And as the final footsteps fade, one truth stands tall before us: Nari Shakti, the power of women. From the fire of Rani Lakshmi Bai to the wisdom of Savitri Bai Phule, to the skies touched by Kalpana Chawla and Avni Chaturvedi, to the heights climbed by Arunima Sinha, from the boardrooms led by Indra Nooyi and Kiran Bedi to the courts ruled by P.V. Sindhu, each story whispers the same truth. A woman's strength is limitless. Nari Shakti is the fire that protects, the wisdom that guides, the compassion that heals, and the determination that transforms. Today's performance is a salute to every woman who fought, who rose, who dreamed, and who continues to inspire. May their journeys ignite courage in every heart here. May we always honor, support, and celebrate the unstoppable force of Nari Shakti. Thank you and Jai Hind.